Hello everybody, I'm Nancy at Notably Nancy YouTube channel where I share tips, tricks, and trending issues about online teacher health and wellness. Okay, what I need to talk about today is jumper cables. Why jumper cables? Okay, I'm saying don't wait and let me share my story with you. I have a 4-year-old Kia Picanto, okay, and I didn't even have jumper cables in it because I figured it's a fairly new car, and I didn't think I needed them until I went down one morning and the car battery did not start. We had a neighbor start the car. I knew I was kind of living on borrowed time, but I was hoping for the best because I really needed to go pick up something at the local shopping center. And I thought to myself, I'll give it a go. And hopefully by the time that I drive all the way to the shopping center to pick up what I needed to pick up, I had this idea in my head that was reinforced by some neighbors that my battery would probably be recharged by then. I am a person that really is interested in cars. Way back when I was in high school, I wanted to take like auto mechanics, but in the olden days, they didn't let girls take it. So I'm kind of learning a lot now as I go along. Sorry, my car wouldn't start. I'm in this parking lot about 30 minutes from my home. We live in a rural area. I went to the hardware store. I said, like, I need jumper cables. Okay, here's the unboxing. Here's what I got. I'm really happy with it. I would recommend it for you, and don't be lulled into the idea that your car is new and this isn't going to happen to you, because newsflash, it happens. Okay, so this is what I got. They're called Jump Starter. I hope you could see this in the frame. But basically, what's different about these than a regular pair of jumper cables is this comes with a battery that charges these jumper cables. So in other words, you can jump start your own car. You don't need another car for this. Okay, this is how it looks. This is the battery unit. Okay, and these are the baby jumper cables, but we're going to go down to the car and I'm going to show you that, believe it or not, they really work. Okay, so what happens is this plugs into, does it? Plugs into this upside down. Such a lady driver, but I'm not young enough and cute enough that all the cute guys in the parking lot want to help me, so it was good I got this. Okay, here it is, and you can see it's charging or charged or whatever it's supposed to do. This is a little start button right here, and when I press it, it gives power to these jumper cables. So follow me, let's go down to the car. And now that I have it plugged in, I'm going to try to show you how it works in the car, because if you're by yourself, you need to know this, okay? It's kind of like in online teaching, you know, when you have this backup plan, but you've never done it before, so you don't know your hot spot or whatever, okay? You need to take your intellectual knowledge to an action plan. So that's what we're going to do right now. Follow me. So now I'm going around to open the car and open the trunk. No, I'm not opening the trunk. I'm opening the hood.
Just say it.
They did me a real disservice when they didn't let me take auto mechanics, but I could have been beyond this point.
Okay.
Okay, I found where to open it. And I'm telling you from experience, once you pass age 18 or 20, don't expect guys to be like cute guys to be stopping in the parking lot to help you, because that's not what happens. Okay. And the other thing is like this need to come off. Here's my mini things, and you know, there's a plus and a minus, and I forgot which one is which. Wait, really? Oh, it says on it. Okay, this is minus. This is the plus. So, how did this go on here?
It's a good thing you're not stuck, because here the negative goes there, and then you go and start the car.
That ends my video for today, and please join me next week. I have some exciting online SL teacher news to share with you. We're going to get really back into the online teaching trending issues starting next week. So have a great week. Happy teaching. And let me know in the comments below if you think this battery is a good idea, but don't buy it without knowing how to use it. Okay, bye. Happy teaching.